Guys, let's check out this chart and let's see what we can come up with it. Okay, this is a beautiful Monday morning, and it is always cool to check out the chart so that we will know how it's going to go throughout the week. Okay, this is PainX 1200, and I'm on 15-minute time frame. Okay, the strategy I'm going to be using for this particular chart will help you to understand how to analyze your assets very well before you go into the trade. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you have any personal question, you can also reach out to me via my WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys. So if you are on this platform, I want you to turn your chart to PainX 1200. If you are having this trading to the 3M custom made indicator, you can also have it attached to your PainX 1200. You should be seeing something like this. Okay, if you are not having, let's just follow up with the analysis, then you can also apply the same thing from your end. Okay, so guys, this is PainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, so please and please take your chart down to 15 minutes time frame, and of course you should be seeing something like this. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance zone at this point. Like you guys have always known me, I am a fan of trend trading strategy because one, it helps me to trade for a very long time, which means I can milk the market for a very long time, which means I can also make uh, good profits from that trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is 15-minute time frame, and of course it has gotten to the resistance zone at this point, and right from here, it gave us a downtrend signal. You can see it's changed from the yellow color and to the red color. Okay, and this is also coming from the resistance zone. And there are two things that can happen from the resistance zone. It's either it breaks out above it or it changes the direction of the trend since it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it only means it's going to change the direction of the trend. So it gave me a trend signal at this point. And also, if you should look at it very well, you're going to see a red arrow at this point. So which means there is a sell signal. It's had a little pullback at this point, and of course gave me another sell signal at this point. And the trend also, you can see it started selling right from there. So definitely this actually did very well, and it went as far as getting to this support zone. Okay, so right now the market got to this support zone, so it picked up from there, and of course right from there, since it's unable to break out from this support zone, it changed the direction of the trend into an uptrend. And of course you can see the yellow color, and we've gotten the blue arrow from here. Here is another blue arrow that signifies the buy, and the buy signal is in line with the uptrend, okay, which is the current trend, which it has changed to. Okay, so this is a good win for each and every one of us. So definitely this should buy more, so I expect it. If you are not in the market at the moment, you can jump in at somewhere around here. So I expect it to buy till it gets to this particular um spot first. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this spot next. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, guys, then we expect it to get to this region next. Okay, and final region is this. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to drop some of these signals in the Telegram channel in case you can't pick them up right now. However, you should always set your stop loss each time you are creating an order. This is very, very important. Okay, so because the market can misbehave anytime. You don't have the full control of the market because you are not the only one in the market. Okay, but this is a good analysis for us right here, so you can take advantage of it right from there and make sure you understand it better before you go fully into it. Okay, so let's see this also. This is also giving us the same vibes, just like the one we had around here. Okay, so GainX has actually gotten to the support region at this point, and it has not been able to break out below it. So it's trying to go back on uptrend. So first, I expect it to get to this region first, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so we should watch out for this, and if it breaks out from here, guys, then we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is another advantage which we can, I mean, another opportunity which you can take advantage of right away. Okay, because it is coming from a major support zone. So definitely we expect it to go into an uptrend line. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here for now. More signals will be pushed down to the Telegram channel, so you can check the link in the description box for the Telegram channel. For you to have access to the Telegram channel, so you can join and follow up with the analysis which I will be pushing out down there. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.